Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police Jonga East Khasi Hills about Vivek's aim IPS. Lepentip banaga jenik wat hakariat kepadan haduk lai sertab lalap yaka phone jong Raja Raghuvanshi bat lapru yaka wat kebala penunkam ban Pynïap yau. WSPU layat ho bagadika wat kebadang Thymmai kebala rak nang ban Pynïap yau Raghuvanshi bat kamni satya ka wat kebarim ni kebala penunkam teng. WSPU layat ho bakam dan jeng aratin shu bat latikna Raghuvanshi ula sya Pynïap. Henry mentaki pulit kidang tokit ban lap yaka daw lagadega jeng luti negade kebadan daw AA. Kajing tokit benia kadang ya syat-syat kadang kajing wat dekat sunam Raghuvanshi pat kan sedang biang lasyai kesengi.
See, today I'd like to, since you all have got an update since yesterday, today the search has continued again in Waisodong Falls, and NDRF also has been involved. So the gorge is about 3 layers, and they have gone right to the last layer, and NDRF, SDRF, SOT have gone down, and they have recovered the phone of the victim, and they've also recovered the weapon which was used. It was dao, the knife which was used, and that has been seized. However, the wife of the deceased has not been found yet. Tomorrow we'll resume again our search in the same area and in the adjoining areas which is close by. It's because the gorge extends to quite a distance from there, so we'll be looking for those areas which is about say 1 or 2 kilometers from that place. So it is in the same alignment with the job with that same gorge which we of Waisodong. So our priorities right now is to again look for the body of the female. See, like I said in my press release yesterday, we can't rule out all. We can't rule out any. We can't rule out all possibilities. So let the facts come in, and yes, the weapon was used to murder. Whether the motive was for robbery, or if there was a vendetta, or there was any form of hatred, or any issue in between the accused and the victims. We need to find that out. So facts will come forth as and when we investigate. So we need to look for more evidence in the place of occurrence. We need to look for evidence elsewhere also, and then only we can come to a certain conclusion. But otherwise, at this juncture, it's premature to say anything. We need to find more evidence. Our aim is to get more evidence, then we can say something concrete. Otherwise, it'll just be mere assumptions. There's no doubt. In fact, I have already said it's a case of homicide. The body which we got yesterday, the person has been murdered. There's no question about it. And we've registered a case also for murder, common intention, and for destruction of evidence or non-disclosure of trying to hide since the body was thrown. So the attempt was to try to hide all forms of evidence. So that section also is there. So there's no doubt that it is murder, but we have to find out what is the motive behind it. See, we can't say that dao is available everywhere. You can even buy it online. So we'll have to find out. But what I can say, it's a new dao, just used for this purpose only. It's not an old dao where people use it every day for cutting wood or anything. It's a new dao, but just for this purpose only.
The person's body was first killed, then thrown, or?
See, we can't say whether he was killed and then thrown. But yes, once we get the post-mortem report, then we can ascertain from the kind of injury whether the injury out there is fatal for him to have died before being thrown, or whether he was alive and being thrown. So we'll know from the post-mortem that yes, he was thrown, and because he died out of the fall. So that will come in the post-mortem report.
What was it there in Waisodong area before it was brought and left in Sororabus?
What was it?
that scooty being
Uh-huh.
used by the couple.
Yes.
Was it there in Weisodong area before it was being brought and left? at
Yes,
Seoul?
the route taken by the scooty is in a line with that it had gone to Weisodong and had come out to Solaran. Yes. Yes, we in fact we've treated this as a special report case. It is on topmost priority. We have the special investigation team investigating this case. The team will be headed by the SP City. There are other three DSPs, DSP Crime, DSP City, and DSP Ops, and four DSPs and SDPO Sora. And we have two sub-inspectors also. One is the IO and one is the assistant who will be supporting the IO. So we have many GOs in this special investigation team. That only says that is a case of topmost priority.